Nice day out. I think you might actually be able to hear me. Let's put the atomic teaser. What is that? We're gonna put that out at the far hole. Far hole's like 20 feet from the camera. 3.5. We're gonna move up. This was a test hole. Getting worried about ice thickness because you can see there's open water. Not enough to make you worry just a little bit, huh? Well, I think right there. Take a look at the view. Bum ba-dum bum 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 bum. That looks awesome. But we got 2 rods in, 5 inches of ice. If I fall through, then it's less. But I measured it, it was 5. We should be good. That little bit of open water right out there, I think that's wind blew water from real open water onto the ice, but I'm still not gonna go over there because that's been weakened. And for the last few days, I've been having good luck right in this area. We'll see if that continues today. Probably not, since today's nice. Nice day out, no wind. Look at that. Good fish, not a dinky little guy. I can see him. You just got to get his head up to the hole. Good fish. It's a really good fish. Come on, don't come out hook. Stay in there, hook. Oh, it's right on his lip, right where we want it. Come on, big guy. He's good and fat. What is he? 19 inches. Wait a little bit. "19 inches and super fat." Look at the size of that thing. That's just fat. Good fish. Good fish. Slimy trout. I think we can get a bigger one. "19 inches and heavy." I think we can get a bigger one. I think I just need somebody to call me. That seemed to have been it. Got a phone call and bam, good bite. Damn. We'll give that far rod a little bit. I bought some new baits today. Well, I bought them a few days ago. I didn't buy them today. Don't even know why I'd lie to you like that. But I'm using a pink and white paddle tail. And I bought these guys. Wow. They're a paddle tail, same size, just a difference in color. This one's pearl. Open this up. Oh. Wait. That's what the pearl one looks. Just like the white one, but he's a pearl paddle tail. We'll give that pink and white just a little bit of time though. See how he does. Before we put this guy on, I'm gonna set him right there. Because I've had really good luck on the pink and white. Last couple times I've come out here though, I've gotten my better fish on that atomic teaser. I'm getting bored. Let's do bait change. Let's try that new little pearl colored one. That's what we got. Does have a nice pearl color on it. I think it's going to work great, but I'm not a fish. Warm as it is, still got a little skim ice on there. I want to just right off the bottom, so there's bottom. I'll pull it up to about like there. That seems pretty good. That seems all right. Here we go, here we go. There we go. Another good fish. All right, that was awesome. Camera shut off. I just caught another fish. He was 19 and a half. We didn't get it on film. That's all right. We're gonna catch more. We're gonna get a bigger one out here. That was a quick bite. Give it a little action, see if that fish is still interested. I've I've noticed at this lake, they like it dead sticked. I sit there and I jig and they don't hit it. But when I let it sit, I get good bites. Letting it sit, it's called dead sticking. But that doesn't sound good. That ice right there sort of making noise, and you can see that chunk just popped up. We probably won't be fishing here tomorrow. It's all right. We won't fish here. We'll just go over there and fish. We'll try jigging him just a little bit. Look at this paddle tail. That's the way paddle tails are supposed to work. Supposed to move. Oh, the paddle tail goes brrr, brrr. Dang. Another good fish. Air in my mouth. It's pulling a little. Another big fat trout. Gets his head up here. Oh, big slimy. Not hooked too bad, just gonna need pliers. Hey. Easy, big fella. I don't want to get that right on out of you. Quit smashing your head on the ice. You don't want to get barely hooked. How long is this football? This thing is, it's a football. Look at that thing. It's 17 inches. It's a football. Look how fat that thing is. Okay, so jigging that worked. Which is odd, because I usually don't have that good of luck jigging. Well, we'll continue jigging. Since that worked, I'm going to sit on the bucket. Keep jigging. It was awesome. I didn't hit it very hard, I just felt him bump and I set the hook. There's bottom, up a little. Good fish. Haven't seen him. He's a good fish. Big guy. He's might be the best one of today. I don't like my line popping on that ice. Get his head up here. I'm gonna get him out. Here comes head. There we go. Barely in. Let's see what he measures. Get him back in there. I don't want him flopping. 21 inches. Get him on the camera. 21 inches. Fat. He's a big fish. Get him back in. Keep him happy. I think he's already happier that we got a hook out of his mouth. Right in the face. Sun's starting to set. I'll pick the camera up and show you. This is probably where we get a good bite. Behind the trees. Beautiful. Mountains look good. They always look good. Awesome. We'll shut this off. I'll be heading out here in a minute. I'm really interested to see how sound is on this one. As I'll stand back here. The other days when I recorded, there were slight breezes in the air. Even the slightest breeze that camera picked up, and I couldn't hear anything. So with no breeze today, we'll see if it's a lot better.